Huh?
I don't care about anything that happens past the time. The rest of our team can fuck all day. I don't care.
Yeah,
I want to make sure that they don't wrap around.
I can see it on the front as well.
It's gonna time out. But I also have a second camera right here.
Whoa!
That is awesome.
Go, 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 follow, go, 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 basement, basement, move, go, 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 go.
Oh shit. Hit. No, I'm walking off field. I'm walking off field. What's up, buddy? Have a good day, man. Hell yeah. Where's your tourniquet? Fucking medic him back in. Yeah. Why do you have Diva dollars?
I don't know. I thought it was good.
Yeah.
Spray the top.
Yeah.
Suck a little thing.
Hey, who's this guy that was just sitting right here mid-stairs? No, I'm clear. Walk away. Yeah, I'll just follow, but y'all keep your security.
We're gonna go always to the right.
Yeah.
Over that back first.
All right.
All right, guys.
Go, 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 go!
Yep. Oh, they ain't looking like that right now. No, I got him. No, I got the no. Hey, got your light, Steve? Hey, Dead coming out! I just said Dead coming out! God damn! I just said Dead coming out. Oh shit. No, you're good. You know? I know, I'm like, muzzle flash!
These are the motherfuckers running down this wall.
No, you got them.
Both of them?
Yeah, no, they're dead.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry.
What's up, buddy?
Sorry. I heard you, that's why I didn't shoot. But I couldn't see, I don't know what the fuck the layout is.
Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah.